Hello, this is a video on how to start IntelliSEM and a brief overview of the home screen. After starting IntelliSEM, you may see a login screen. If your system is configured for user authentication, enter your credentials here to log in. If your system is not set up for authentication, this screen will not appear and IntelliSEM will start directly. On the next screen, select the database you want to work with. You can check the default box if you would like IntelliSEM to automatically open this database in future sessions. The Workbench home screen is your base of operations. From here, you can search for previously collected data, start a new prospector run, change settings, and perform a variety of data management tasks. On the left side of the home screen, you will find a directory tree for the currently selected database. You may expand the nodes of the tree manually to look for a particular dataset, or type a string in the Search Projects box to automatically find projects, samples, and acquisitions that contain that string. After typing in the string, click the right arrow next to the search box. You can use the plus and down arrow buttons next to the search button to add or import data respectively. The right-hand side of the home screen will show you a listing of your recently accessed datasets, each with an open button to load that acquisition. After selecting a dataset, either through the directory tree or the recent acquisition list, the right-hand side of the home screen will show a scrollable summary of results and settings for that analysis. You can load the full dataset by clicking the open button near the top of the screen. You can hide the detailed summary and return to the recent dataset screen by clicking the home button on the left-hand side of the screen. There are also buttons for options and tasks, which are covered in a separate video. At the top of the home screen are a series of toolbar buttons. These include buttons for program settings, prospecting, data exports, reporting, and data migration. These functions are also covered in separate videos.